Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to invite contributors to Acuity Scheduling. So why would you want to do this? For example, you have a business that is big, so you have a lot of staff members, maybe you have a secretary or a virtual assistant, and so on and so forth, and you want to give them permission to use your Acuity website so that they will help you in scheduling appointments, managing payments, and so on and so forth. So in order to do that, we can go to click this hamburger button right here, click on permissions, click on permissions and ownership, and then from here we can invite contributors to our website. So for example, I will invite a contributor right here. So I'll just continue and then just use my Google account. And then from here, it will display a window where we can add users. So for example, I want to add another contributor using my email address. And then from here, it will have different options. So if we will make the contributor as an administrator, they can have full access to our Acuity account, but they can't transfer the ownership. For the billing, that contributor can buy or change plans except for domains and Google Workspace. For scheduling, you can have a scheduling administrator, so they can view and manage your appointments and settings for scheduling. You can also enable view and edit only, so you can assign specific staff to specific calendars so that they can only view and edit that specified calendar that you put them in. And then for scheduling view only, so this contributor can only view the specific calendars. So for example, I want this contributor to be my scheduling administrator. I will just check this. But if you want to use other things, for example, if it has an admin, all of this will be turned on, but for billing, this will only be turned on, but you can also turn other things as well for the scheduling. But if you're only using scheduling, you can only check one option for this options right here. So I will just check scheduling administrator, click on invite, and then the invite is sent to that specific email, and then they can accept that email so that they will have access to this Acuity Scheduling website. And that is all. That is how we invite contributors to our Acuity Scheduling, and I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.